How to change your WhatsApp home screen wallpaper on Android. This tutorial shows you how to update your chat background in just a few steps. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings. At this point, tap on Chats to open your chat settings. In the next step, tap on Default Chat Theme and then tap on Wallpaper from the options there. From there, let me show you. You'll see a few different options, including default wallpaper, solid colors, gallery, and no wallpaper. At this stage, tap on Gallery if you want to use a photo from your device. From here, if you want a solid color instead, go back to Wallpaper and tap on Solid Colors. At this point, pick your preferred color from the options and tap on Check Right option to apply it. Finally, once you're happy with your selection, go back to your chats and you'll see the new wallpaper applied across all your conversations right away. And that's it. If this guide helped you change your WhatsApp wallpaper, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.